All right, the fans have spoken, and they want more simple rockets. So let's start playing around with some satellites. This is an intro level to docking. The rocket is already lined up to dock. Thank you. Just gently plug the rocket's docking plug into the satellite's docking port. Just give a little plug-roo there. All right, the rocket's docking plug in the satellite's docking port. Plug into port. Okay. Once they are connected, deorbit the satellite by retro-burning and deploy the parachutes to land it safely on the ground. Deorbit by retro-burning and deploy parachutes. Okay. All right. Apparently there's some score attached, but I don't know what that score is tied to, so let's find out. Okay, where... Okay, there it is, up there. I guess I use these. Okay, that must be my thrust there. All right. See a little bit of retrograde there. Okay. I see a speed up here. I'm guessing that's my speed relative to Smurf and not to the satellite. Okay, we have docked. I heard some pressurization sound effects. So, let's do... So my next goal is to retrograde burn. So I'll bring up the map here. Okay, retrograde. Let's see. I am moving that away. So I need to burn this away. And we will... Oh, wait, I don't want to do that. No, I want to burn this. There we go. Retrograde burn. I see my orbit should be decaying. Yes, I'm definitely moving that way because the exhaust is going that way. Yep, my orbit is decaying. Okay, it's keeping track of my fuel use. So it's trying to... I'm probably supposed to reduce or minimize the amount of fuel used. So I'll just wait for that periapsis to end up inside of the atmosphere. All right, so let's cut it. Well, let's wait a little bit more just to get it down to the ground sooner. All right, we'll cut the engines there. Maybe a little more burn. Okay, there we go. Okay, so let's try to do a better job with this parachute than I did last time. Can I warp? I can warp. Okay. Warp around here. Okay, now I need to end up pointing... Okay, I've got... This is an interesting design here. I've got some side thrusters here. I don't remember seeing those as options before, but I think those would have helped me greatly in previous episodes. Okay, I need to be pointing this way. Oh shoot, which side is the parachute going to come out of? Let's assume the parachute comes out of this end, I think. Guess we'll find out. Let's keep warping along till we can't warp anymore. All right, we are starting to get into the atmosphere. I'm barely in the atmosphere. Okay, let's fast forward. Okay, all right, I'm starting to see the atmosphere there. I hope that's the atmosphere, not the planet. Yep, that looks like atmosphere. I know atmosphere is part of the planet, but let's adjust a little bit here. Okay, I'm still a little bit far up. What is my altitude? My altitude is 35,000 meters. Let's get to within, I don't know, 10,000 maybe? Yeah, now is a good time. Okay, they're coming out all over the place. Oh, that would be what that times 4 was. It's 4 of those. How do I stop those thrusters? Do I want to stop those thrusters? I don't know. Well, this is kind of fun to watch. Let's go to fast motion. Oops, that didn't work. Okay, so a couple things happened there. My video cut out because I went to another screen. I always forget that that is a problem. Let's try this again. Okay. Once they're connected, deorbit the satellite by retroburning and deploy the parachutes and land safely on the ground. Okay. I don't understand why the thrusters were still... Well, the maneuvering thrusters were still going. But we'll see. What is this RCS here? I don't think I've seen that before. Here we go. RCS... That too. Oh, that just gives me these controls. Okay, well, that might have been nice to see before. Okay, solar, I guess that... What does that do? Does that fold this in or something? I can undock if I want, but I don't know that I want to do that. Nope, I definitely didn't want to do that. Okay, rocket is already lined up to dock. Gently plug the rocket's docking plug into the satellite's docking port. Once they're connected, deorbit the satellite by retroburning and deploy the parachutes to land it safely on the ground. Okay, it doesn't say anything about doing anything with solar panels or anything like that. So let's assume that that's what I was meant to do. Let's get our map up. Very good, very good. Now I am moving that away, so I need to burn this way. I'll wait for that to correct itself. All right, let's give ourselves a retrograde burn here. I wonder if the issue I ran into last time is I was falling too far. Oh, if I go too close to periapsis, do I end up falling faster? That doesn't... I don't know. Let's try to get this... Let's try to make our time in the fall as little as possible. I'm wondering if that was an issue last time. No, it shouldn't be, because the speed you pick up is based on the distance you travel, right? Very interesting. Let's see. I'm almost out of... I'm getting nearly done with fuel, so let's cut the engines here. And let's see. I'm going to be landing this way, so I want to be pointing this way. So let's get ourselves pointed in approximately the right angle. Right angle meaning correct angle, right? All right. We'll try warping again. Okay, getting close to the atmosphere. Okay. I'm guessing the issue I ran into is that I did not deploy my parachutes soon enough. So let's try that at 30,000 meters, I suppose. Yeah, that looks like that's traveling fast. I am not really cutting out my speed hardly at all. Is part of the issue that I need a retrograde burn coming toward the planet? Whoa. I think I broke the parachutes. Okay, let's try this now. Let's get docked. Good. Now, let's do a retrograde burn only enough to get me intersecting with the atmosphere. Oops. No, not that direction. Not that direction. Let's see. I want to point this way. No, I'm traveling that way. I want to point this way. Good, good. All right. Do retrograde burn. I just want to get my orbit into the atmosphere. And I think what I need to do is use my thrusters against my fall once I get toward the atmosphere. I think. That's what I think is going on. Maybe, am I making this too complicated? I feel like I'm making this too complicated. Okay, we've got intersection with Smurf. Barely. Retrograde burn a little bit more. All right, that's good. That's good. Now let's see. So I'm going to come around to the quadrant 3 over here. So I'm going to be pointing that way. Eventually. There we go. Okay, now let's warp around. Because my orientation stays consistent. I'm starting to get closer. Okay. All right, here we are in the zone of possible danger. I'm going to adjust this way a little bit. Let's try burning this just to decrease our speed. All right, let's go and watch the speed. We're currently at 2,400. All right, speed is increasing. I don't like that. Point this way just a little bit. The problem is I don't want this to pop. I don't want my orbit to pop back out over here. And that's slowly happening. Okay. Let's try getting... Maybe I need to do that closer. I'm still 68,000 meters up. 68 kilometers up. Let's see. Let's get around here. Okay, we're starting to enter the atmosphere. So let's try burning upward this way. Okay, my speed is slowly decreasing. That's pretty good. But my orbit's about to pop back out from the planet's surface. Yeah, I've got a periapsis again. Let's see. Okay, my periapsis is going away. Oh, yeah, I'm going to encounter a little bit of drag here. So that's going to make my orbit decay a little bit. This is making me nervous now. Should I try another burn? I suppose so. The last time I used a parachute, I was able to just bust it out and my orbit automatically decayed thanks to the drag, but this thing has actually made my, last time my parachute broke. I'm not exactly sure what this solar does. Okay. Let me see. That is... Okay, I want to be falling downward. What do I need to do in order to fall downward? I would need to burn that way, right? So let's try pointing that way. Let's try a burn here. Okay, my speed is decreasing. That's good. I'm about to run out of fuel, though. Okay. Orbit's definitely decaying. I am slowing down. That's good. Oops, now I'm out of fuel. Maybe do I need to just deploy the parachutes closer? I am still slowing down. That's remarkable. I guess the drag is really acting on me there. I guess what I could do, maybe I wait to see... Oh gosh, I'm 13 kilometers up. I probably need to deploy my parachutes soon. Yeah, I probably need to do that. I still don't understand why the thrusters are... Why the maneuvering thrusters are trying to correct for my fall. Okay, I'm down to 1 kilometer per second. Oh goodness, this is going to be tight. This is going to be tight. Where's the surface? 7 kilometers up. Okay. I think this is the slowest I've managed to go so far. It would be nice if I could specify that I want to land in the water. Like, that would be the way to really fix this. Okay, I broke off again. Why did I break? Did I accidentally click on dock? I didn't click on dock. Who told you to click on dock? Nobody told you to click on dock. Oh, now it's picking up speed. I wonder what happened to me. Satellite has been damaged. Damaged is putting it mildly. Okay. Let's wait to deploy those parachutes until the very last moment. Right? There goes that. All right, now retrograde burn. Oops. Too far, too far. Retrograde burn this way. There we go. Okay. Give it all you've got. All right, we're braking as much as we can. Oh, is this my maneuvering thruster fuel here, the purple line? I hadn't noticed that purple line before. Okay, I want to get it to intersect right here. That's what I want. I would love to have as close to a right angle between my trajectory and the surface of the Earth as possible. Okay, like if I could get to that point right there, like at the 45-degree mark along here, that would be magnificent. Oh, I think I can do it. I think I can do it. I think I can do it. A little more. Little more. Little more. There, okay, I've got just enough fuel left to be able to make adjustments if I need to. Okay, yeah, it's depleting my purple bar there for the maneuvering thrusters. Okay. I wonder if I missed a tutorial where I was supposed to learn about the maneuvering thrusters. Okay, let's go to warp. Okay, I'm at a good angle there. I'm at a good angle there. Good, good. Okay. Now. Wait till we get a little closer. Little closer. Okay, now I want to blast my thrusters this way. That's really going to decrease my speed, and now I must needs... Whoa! Did you see that?